Alright, so me and Justin are out here today. Hopefully gonna shoot some ducks. Going for teal and woodies since teal early season just opened up like 4 days ago. So we're out here in this hole and let's see what we can do. Dang, come on now.
Somebody hit it.
I think I did.
That's not getting found though.
Nah, he's about a mile back in there. I was not holding the shotgun well either. I was holding like, I don't even think I had it on me. It went,
I didn't even shoot. I saw Tyler looking at this one and I was like, oh.
one down.
Those people let that thing ring. That is not getting found. No.
Poor guy.
Probably banded too.
That was my first band.
And that bitch wasn't,
Dude, we could get that thing out of here. That's a bat.
Yeah. I bet you won't try.
There we go. Restocked.
Oh, I thought you folded it, dude. I was like, no.
Just fell in the boat.
Dude, that would be awesome if you hit that thing.
Nah, I'm not shooting at it. Make sure your bolt thing doesn't fall out again.
Yeah. What happened to your other boat?
I think just sitting there riding away. Grandpa never got
Oh my god, he flared up. Yep. He was gonna get clapped too. He thought it come right over.
Yep.
Yeah. They would have shot him.
Yeah. I should have. It was coming head first.
Dude, he was coming right at us.
So he did some zero shot.